guest editor of the Irish News Young Newsreaders project. This is my third year being guest editor, and every year it gets bigger and better, and it's great to be back in schools and actually witnessing the great work of the project at present.
I like reading my condom wants another craft after organising the week.
Okay, what page is that?
It's the last page.
The back page. That's my daddy's favourite page because he likes to see if his team's won. I'd love to hear a joke. I think it's time for some jokes. Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Because 6, 8, 9.
Oh my goodness, 6, 8, 9. That is a clinker.